Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at the overall implementation of the AVL tree class. So this is the AVL tree class, is a subtype of BST. And so this is the init method, invoke BST, the init. And this is the create a node. So now we're going to create a new AVL tree node. So we're going to create this AVL tree node. This is just right here. And this is the insert. And this is the update height. So after you insert a node and you have a change in the height for the nodes along the path from the node you just inserted. So you have to do some update. So this is the balance path. And when you do the balance, actually this one, it will invoke the update height. So this is the balance LL, balance LR, balance RR, balance RL. And this is delete. And this is the class AVL tree node. It's a subtype of tree node. So that's the complete implementation of the AVL tree class. That's all for this section. See you next video.